Welcome to Brilliance, your gateway to a healthier lifestyle. In today's episode, we're diving headfirst into a culinary clash that's been sizzling in kitchens worldwide: cooking with butter versus cooking oils. Join us for a savory journey that promises to keep you hooked until the very end. Let's begin with an old culinary favorite: butter. It's creamy, rich, and has been a kitchen staple for generations. But is it as unhealthy as it's made out to be? The plot thickens with saturated fats, the kind that butter is loaded with. These fats have long been linked to heart disease. But there's a twist in the story. Recent research suggests saturated fats might not be the dietary villains we once believed them to be. Now shift your gaze to the new kids on the block: cooking oils. From olive oil to avocado oil, these oils are marketed as healthier alternatives to butter. But are they truly the knights in shining armor they seem to be? Olive oil, in particular, has stolen the spotlight for its potential health benefits. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are believed to be heart-friendly. However, not all cooking oils are created equal. Some, like vegetable and canola oils, are higher in polyunsaturated fats, which can disrupt the balance of essential fatty acids in your diet. Time for a culinary duel. Picture this: two sizzling steaks, one cooked in butter and the other in olive oil. Which one do you think will reign supreme? Our taste testers were in for a surprise. Butter offered that rich, savory depth of flavor that's hard to beat. But here's the twist: olive oil brought a lighter, more delicate flavor, allowing the steak's natural taste to shine through. The lesson here? Both butter and olive oil have their places in the kitchen, depending on your desired flavor profile. Let's dive into a lesser-known culinary aspect: smoke points. When oils are heated too much, they can release harmful compounds. This is where the olive oil story takes an unexpected turn. Olive oil, while beloved for its taste and potential health benefits, has a lower smoke point compared to other cooking oils. This means that using it for high-heat cooking methods might create compounds that are less than favorable for your health. But fret not, we have some tips up our sleeves. To make the most of your olive oil, use it for low to medium heat cooking, like sautéing and drizzling over salads. Save high-heat tasks for oils with higher smoke points, like canola or grapeseed oil. So, which one wins the culinary battle? Butter or cooking oils? It's not about declaring a winner, but understanding how to use them wisely. Butter adds richness and flavor, particularly in baking and decadent dishes. However, moderation is essential, given its higher saturated fat content. Cooking oils, especially olive oil, can be your allies for heart health and enhancing delicate flavors in your cooking. The key is to choose the right oil for the right job, considering smoke points and culinary needs. Before we wrap up, here's a crucial takeaway: balance and awareness are your kitchen companions. Whether it's butter or cooking oils, understanding when and how to use them can elevate your culinary creations and promote better health. Butter offers that indulgent richness, while cooking oils like olive oil bring their unique benefits when used mindfully. Thanks for joining us today on Brilliance. If you found this insightful, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for our next episode, where we explore the secrets of a superfood that's revolutionizing the world of health. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. Until then, stay brilliant.